Hello and welcome to Lesson 19, Placing Your Order. In this lesson, you will learn two common ways of placing your order. Let's have a look. I would like to have. In German we say Ich hätte gerne or Ich hätte gern. The translation of Ich is I and hätte gerne or hätte gern means would like to have. Let's have a closer look at would like to have. In German, hätte gerne or hätte gern. The difference is that in the written language you always use hätte gerne and in the spoken language you always say hätte gern. So for I would like to have, you can simply say ich hätte gern. Let's have a look at the second option. You can also say ich möchte gerne or ich möchte gern. The gern, ich means I, and möchte gerne or möchte gern is would like to have. For the next examples, we will use the first option, which is ich hätte gern. For example, if you want to order one coffee, you would say ich hätte gern einen Kaffee. Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee. Or if you would like to have 5 bread rolls, you would say ich hätte gern 5 Brötchen. Ich hätte gern 5 Brötchen. So I would like to have one coffee. Ich hätte gern einen Kaffee. Or I would like to have 5 bread rolls. Ich hätte gern 5 Brötchen. Let's continue with I would like to have 4 apples. Ich hätte gern 4 Äpfel. Ich hätte gern 4 Äpfel. Or for example, I would like to have 2 oranges. Ich hätte gern 2 Orangen. Ich hätte gern 2 Orangen. So, I would like to have 4 apples. Ich hätte gern 4 Äpfel. I would like to have 2 oranges. Ich hätte gern 2 Orangen. This was lesson 19. Now you know 2 common ways of placing your order. I will see you in the next lesson where we will learn about the topic at the restaurant.